Hello everyone, we are the Tech Geek. So today we are going to show you how to set up filters in Gmail. Before we get started, if you like this video, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. The first step is to open up a web browser and log into your Gmail account. Click the settings icon at the top right corner and select See All Settings. Click Filter and Blocked Addresses. Click Create a Filter. You can filter by sender, receiver, subject, and inclusion or exclusion of words. In this example, we will select the word investment in the subject. Click Create Filter. It will show you a list of actions. The most useful are Star It, Forward It to, Never Send It to Spam, Always Mark It as Important. In this example, we select Star It and Always Mark It as Important. Click the Create Filter button. Let's see the results. When we receive an email with the subject containing investment, it will be starred and marked as important automatically. When we click Settings, See All Settings, Filters and Blocked Addresses, again you will see the rules we created previously. You can edit or delete it. Let's say you will receive some email from a company and you do not want them to be put in the spam folder. We can create another rule. Click Create a New Filter. In the From field, type in the email domain. For example, star@yahoo.com.hk. Click Create Filter. Select Never Send It to Spam. If you want to forward the email, click the Forward It to and click Add Forwarding Address or select the email address. Click the Create Filter button. After you have set up the filter, when you receive emails from yahoo.com.hk, it will not be put into the spam folder and the email will be automatically forwarded to the email address you selected. And that is the end of the video. We hope that this video helped you. If it did, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.